Good food is beautiful.
Especially from Zoke Kitchen.
Hi there, my name is Mercy and you are welcome to Zoke Kitchen. Gege, the heart of cooking that brings you extraordinary culinary skills right to where you are, anywhere you are. We bring in chefs from all across Africa to teach you how to make your favorite local and intercontinental dishes. Tell me the celebrity that Nkwobi looks like. How much do you think we need to make ojojo?
Just with 1,000 naira is enough.
This will help them to manage their blood pressure and sugar level.
So much of a foodie and you're still in shape.
Eating healthy food.
And be cooking like a wife material.
This is a store.
The best source of iron and fiber is plantain.
Apart from the things I saw, what did you use?
No.
Ah, that's it. That's the last recipe we needed. Love. Follow us on our social media handles on Facebook and on Instagram at Zoke Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Zoke Kitchen. Like, comment, and share. Thank you.